Hello, my name is Ori Young. I will be talking about the BYEO tools site today, some of the new tools and some of the new features that will be coming to you guys here very shortly through this new website that's built specifically for you to give you the tools and the things that you need to get started and to continue on your process throughout your journey with Be Young. So specifically today what I want to talk about is I want to talk about using the calendar. So to find the calendar, first thing you'll do is you'll come to Business Tools and you'll come down to where it says Upcoming Events. When it comes to the upcoming events, there's a couple things that I want to show to you first before we dive into it. First off, you have some functionality over here as far as how you can view the calendar. If you want to view what's happening within the day, you can click on the day and you can view, in this case it's showing January 30th of 2013. You can see what's happening that day. You can scroll down and open up the whole day and see what exactly is happening on January 30th. You can view the week, so this would be from January 28th to February 3rd, and you can see exactly what's happening within the week view, or you can look at it within the month view, or if you want to just see the list of events from soonest to latest, you can click on list, and this will list all the events that are coming up. Okay. So we'll come back into your month view. You can click on any of these at any time, and what it will do is it'll pull open information for you. Obviously, this is test information in here. The site is not live yet, but will be here in a few weeks. But we wanted to give you this training video so you can see exactly how to use it. You can also come up here and you can search for something. So let's say we want to search for getting started. Hit search. And that's going to pull open any event that has getting started, and you can click on it and you can view more. So getting started with Be Young, here's the information. So very nice feature, very nice to see. To return back to the calendar, you simply click return. So let's say that you want to add an event to the calendar. How would you go about doing that? Right now you don't have that functionality because this would be for everyone to view. If you want to add an event to the calendar, you need to register with the BYEO Tools website. So you'll come to click register up here, you'll put in the information, and it will create an account for you. Now, right after you create the account, you won't be able to post an event. What will end up happening is your registration will come to Be Young. Be Young will verify if you are a sharing partner or a customer of Be Young, and in which case, if you are, then you'll be giving the rights to access the calendar to post your events. And you'll be able to see that. It'll send you updates and let you know that you were added to a security role to post your information on the calendar. So in this case, I already have a rep made. His name's Dana. Let me see if I can remember his password here. Okay, I will just use mine. So now if I come back into upcoming events, you can see that there's a couple different features here now. I have add new event and I have my events. So if this were you and you wanted to add an event, you'd click on add new event. What would happen is you'd pull open a bucket here or a page which would allow you to add your event. So what it'll ask you to do is to put the title of the event. So this event will be a beginning steps with Be Young. Obviously I don't know how to spell, thank goodness for word check. And you won't be able to put a venue, it won't let you save it. You can type it in, which is perfectly fine, but it won't let you save the venue, so you have to type it in each time. And you want to put in the venue here, you want to put in the exact address because this will pull open a map for you, so your people can view on the map where it's going. And then what you'll do is you'll come down here and you will type the event information. Whatever information you want to have in here, you type and you put in. Okay, then you'll put the start date, the end date of the event. You'll put the event owner's email, in which case this would be your email. It doesn't matter if you click featured or not, it's not going to do anything, but you can click it if you want to. It doesn't have any type of functionality. And then you can send a reminder for you and others. In this case, because I'm in the administration portal, you won't have this event is proved. It will be blacked out, and what will end up happening is after you hit submit, it will send the event into Be Young. Be Young will view it, make sure that it is a a good event. It's an event that we could get behind and we could stand behind. It's not someone just coming in and throwing random events on our site. So we'll come in, we have to approve it. Once it's approved, it will show up on the calendar. So in this case, I'm going to click it off so you can see what it will do. And what you'll do is you'll hit update and return. So you can't see where the event is. I can click on my events, and I can see I have one event here that was approved, and I have this event here for the event date is the 13th, and it hasn't been approved yet. You guys will be able to see this exact same thing. There'll be this green checkbox. When you click on it, there'll be a little warning thing up here that says you are not authorized to approve this event. In which case, since I'm in the administrator portal, I can go ahead and approve it. When I hit approve, it's going to show it's approved, which will also show on your end that the event was approved. So what you'll do is you'll come back into your events, and what you'll be able to see now is you'll be able to see that your event automatically was posted on the 13th of February, and it has the information that you wanted. If I click on the map, it will pinpoint that location for me, so it automatically puts that in for you. What you can also do at this point is you can pull open this event, you click on more, it'll pull open a URL specific to your event. It's kind of a long one, but you could copy this URL, and if you have your own website, you could go to your own website and you could post this URL in, and it would take you directly to this page, so people can see your event. You can bring them here and they can see it. So it gives you some tools on that side in order to use it. That's pretty much the event portion of it. It's a great feature. It's a way that you guys can stay connected and be able to post your events. We'd encourage you to post your events here. The only events that we will be posting on our BYEO.com website will be corporate events. So if you want your event out in the limelight where people can see what's coming up, here's a place that you'd come and post it, or you'd post it in your back office. In which case, I would encourage you to post it on both. That way, if anyone didn't see it in your back office, they could potentially come here and see it. So that's how you use the calendar feature at BYEO Tools. We'll be going over some of the other functionalities of this website in later trainings, and we look forward to talking about that and some of the features that this website will offer. Once again, my name is Ori Young. Thanks for joining.